Hey guys, just coming on to show you my 3-pack of Halloween ghosts. Get yourself and your family into the spirit of Halloween with these light up Halloween ghosts. All right, let's go through this product. First, you get the 3 ghosts, okay? Each with a ground stake right here, okay? What I would do is I would put this in the ground first, and then you just get this and put this right in there with it. Simple, okay? Then this probably, once you have it in the ground, it'll be standing 16 inches or so up off the ground. All right. Then on the back of this one, this controls all 3. You just put 3 AA batteries in it. All right, and then here is one button. You press the button once, and you have a steady. You have a steady light. Okay. And then if you hit it again, you're going to have flickering lights. Okay. And then this also works for 6 hours on continuous, and then it automatically shuts off for 18 hours. So that saves yourself some battery life, and it's a nice little feature. So I just wanted to go over this. It's simple setup. These guys go up and down. It's just like styrofoam right here. So, it's pretty lightweight. Does a good job. It's a nice little gift to put out in the front yard. Enjoy.